Assalamualaikum viewers. I am traveling in Tezgam from Rawalpindi to Pakistan. I have chosen AC sleeper compartment of Pakistan Railway. This is a beautiful equipped with modern facilities. I request all Pakistani travelers who travels, they must travel with the Pakistan Railway to help the Pakistan so that the railway could earn a lot of revenue. And please promote this. If you travel with the Pakistan Railway, you will also have the opportunity to beautiful scenery. You can look from railway along the Pakistan Railway tracks. If you travel, this will be the very best for the Pakistan because the railway will earn lot of revenue and this revenue will help the Pakistan. I hope you will like this my video and also will subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.